Hey, do you want to see the most charming station in all of Japan? There's about 1 billion of them, so check this out. Just outside of Nagano, outside of Karuizawa, in about, 20 minutes from downtown Karuizawa. This one is Naka Karuizawa. You don't even slide your ticket through at this remote station, but isn't it charming? Big old barrel, like a barrel of monkeys. So let's go check out Karuizawa. You're gonna love it. Charming little village. Very, very, they say oshare in Japanese. Means very fashionable. Check this out. Here we go. Look at this charming engine. Fantastic. So how old do you think this train is? Let's have a look at some of the fixtures. It's still serviceable, yeah? It's a little creaky, but I hear that these trains get retired to like places like Thailand or Malaysia or something. Probably been reupholstered, but still good to go. And when they do go to Malaysia or wherever, they're well-loved trains. We love our old Japanese train because it's reliable, well-made. Just Art Deco a little bit. What do you think? I gotta give it 50 bucks at least. So here we are at Karuizawa Eki, and check what is behind me. It's a little play area for children as they wait for the train. You can go in there and isn't that charming? A little train station for them. Some cool ass swings over there. And just over there is where the Shinkansen heads out to Tokyo. Alright, let's go explore Karuizawa. So this gentleman is punching the ticket as they get in, and you're just to put it in that little box there when you get off. Okay, here's the front entrance of Karuizawa Station. Nice view from in front of this raised platform, and let's get on down into the downtown Karuizawa. Very exciting. Here's a very popular shopping spot. They've closed it off to traffic because there's so many people. Cool little cafes, bistros, bookshops, ice cream, you name it, kakigori, specialty cheese shops and sausage. Yeah. And of course Haruko's gotta have the jam that she likes to take back to her peeps in Kansai. So let's go check some of this out. Oh, the old strawberry on a stick trick. Lovely. Hey, I just met a man from Alabama. South of southern accent. Where are you from, sir? I'm from Alabama. Well, God bless your soul, sir. I love this here Virginia license plate. How much you want for that? He said, how about $1? I said, you sure got yourself a deal. Now I wanted you to check out these beautiful carriages. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Such a pretty carriage. Feel like going for a ride? Rickshaw, do you get to hit the guy when you... Giddy up, boy! My daughter Sena got a lime kakigori. It's shaved ice treat in Japan. It's delicious. Not as fat as your ice cream treats. Yum, yum. Our other child opted for the matcha green tea kakigori. Gorgeous. Haruko opted for the azuki, or sweet red beans. So we're just walking around. We had a kakigori, the ice treat, and explaining to the girls what is eccentric. And a lot of people up here, they got more dollars than cents, right? So you see some purple hair and pink-haired dogs. It's pretty cool. We'll check out some more of these cool shops and cafes and stuff. Oh yeah, this one. That's where John and Yoko rocked it. Yeah, the Ono family owns that bakery, but back in the day they did. So if you like communists for your heroes, go get a commie cafe. This is kind of the main junction in Karuizawa, yeah. The shopping street starts up there. And we'll head right back down to Karuizawa Station. Welcome to American Paradise Store, Maryland. Y'all slut, you niggas shown. So of course there's a ton of foreigners up here, Gaijin, and I was just walking through this and it occurred to me that's actually Schokoladenberg. Yeah, it's for chocolate, yeah. This is good Schokoladen. This is the land of chocolate, Homer. Here's another thing I quite like about Karuizawa. They've made a designated bike lane and people obey that, the sidewalk for walkers. Ooh, it's a Deutsch Deli again, yeah. And that, because there's a lot of bicycle rentals here. In fact, there's bike rent one time and a bunch of Chinese folks were coming in, returning their bikes, and they're yammering on, they say one look at me, and all of them shut up and just like staring at me. My wife was laughing her bum off. She's like, Michael, they think you're a ghost. Such good infrastructure and city planning. The buses, the local trains, and the Shinkansen all converge here to make it more convenient. And look at this, the Karuizawa Citizens Charter, if I may. Let us strive to keep Karuizawa morally clean so that we can stand proudly before all people. Let us receive all visitors with a warm heart. 3, let us show forth our traditional cultural heritage. Amen. 4, let us appreciate and protect the natural beauty of this area. And 5, let us promote a friendly and harmonious attitude in our growing community. Well, that just about says it all, don't it? This is the Shinkansen entrance. If you're lucky, put it on your bucket list, man, because the Shinkansen is absolutely wonderful. Just clean, efficient. The service is out of this world. There you go. Tokyo, Osaka, where are you going? Wonderful. They added up all the times the Shinkansen was late over 1 year. It turned out to like less than a minute. That's truly first-rate service. Look at that. Bullet nose. They called it the bullet train, of course, back in the day. Bucket list, people. Get your ass to Japan. You're gonna love it.